Hello Bravepipers, this is our first practice warm-up routine video. In this video, it is not going to be introducing anything new. So if you have played your low G, A, B, C, and D, this is the warm-up routine for you. This is what you should be doing whenever you pick it up to start learning or to start practicing on your day-to-day basis. It shouldn't take you more than about 5 minutes to do this, but it's going to get your fingers nice and warm and flexible. It's going to get you playing your notes better and more stably, and it is also going to help you memorize these things so that you don't have to think about them, because as we introduce more and more on the practice chanter, you want to be able to think about less and less so that it is automatic and fast while you play. So this is our hand cramp warm-up routine for complete newbies. So your practice routine is going to sound pretty rote, but that's okay. What we want to do is we want to get our fingers seated, we want to get a low G, and we want to blow for 5 seconds. If you can do that and you have a steady, even tone, good, you're ready to move on. Now we're going to introduce G to A. We want to do that 3 or 4 times to really practice putting this pinky down and getting it in the right location. Good. Now we are going to ladder upwards with a B. We're going to add that B in there. Stop to take breaths if you need them. Okay? Also, if your lips start to get tired, you can always finger walk these things and just tap along with your foot, because what we're doing is less about settling the tone right now if you're on the first 4 notes and more about really getting your muscle memory packed in there. So we're going to either, you can play with me if you'd like, or you could finger walk, or you could mute me and you're going to play like 2 beats on low G, 2 beats on low A, 2 beats on B, and then we're going to play back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to keep adding it up until we get to D. It's the same routine. So I'm going to play up to C this time, and then I'm going to play up to D. You ready? And up to D. Okay, now if you want this without all the extra explanations, it's going to be 5 steady seconds on your low G, then GA and GAB and GAC a couple times, GACD a couple times, and then you're going to ladder up and down. Play that scale over and over and over again until you don't have to think about it. So I'm going to go through the entire warm-up right now. Each time I am taking care to make sure that my pinky gets put down the right way. That way I make sure that I'm not getting any buzzing, that I'm not losing my fingering, and I'm taking my time to learn and to hold the chanter the appropriate way. Straight fingers, as straight as you can get them. It makes it easier and easier to play. Steady, even breathing, pausing when you need to, and you're not death gripping the chanter. If you can do that and you can introduce this into your daily warm-ups, these lower hand notes, which are the foundation for your piping, you'll learn them very quickly, you'll learn them the right way, and you'll be able to play in no time.